want to turn more leads into loyal customers. Discover how to nurture them effortlessly with GoHighLevel targeted, automated campaigns. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to nurturing leads using GoHighLevel. This platform is a game changer for automating your marketing efforts. Let's jump in. Here are simple steps to get started. Segment your leads. Use GoHighLevel tagging system to categorize your leads based on interests or behaviors. This helps tailor your messaging. Create personalized campaigns. Build your email sequences using GoHighLevel Funnel Builder. Craft messages that speak directly to each segment's needs and pain points. Set up automation. Schedule your campaigns using GoHighLevel automation features. Trigger emails or SMS based on user actions to keep them engaged at the right moment. Engagement strategies. Boost engagement by testing different subject lines to see what resonates. Adding surveys in your emails for feedback. Want to streamline your workflow and take your lead nurturing to the next level? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial, and be sure to schedule your kickoff call to hit the ground running. You'll find all the links in the video description below. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for GoHighLevel. Start nurturing your leads today with GoHighLevel and watch your business grow. Thanks for watching.